Memo Aquaba and Faumbra GC and pages so. Mestral, subscribe to my channel, found some bell on the soul. Ube a notification, any sun news at the bed to be open your beauty, and as open your beer share a GC and page ha. Meeting a day Adwa Sechi. Right Honorable Aban Bagbin, a yes Speaker of Parliament, Dema or my Ghana and a Okase. Now Honorable Nesema okay na say Parliament House ho and ye kindergarten for Omo room. Parliament House ho and ye cage for no school ho. Parliament House ho do okohon one na say mini business. Inti MPs nibia Omo eko Parliament House no mo ayo omo ho sebio kwakwasa I saw omo di rough no omo jai. Right Honorable Aban Bagbin say near me people MPs nibia on pe kra na niam ni bi ni esen. Honorable say MP bi de MP anka wo ko Parliament House anka e che say wo coat na wo be dia waje wa botai wa dress kama wo be dress as che say Ghanaian so a any African printing GTP wa jibia pam agigi adem kama pa now they are Parliament House wo. Honorable say we dey ntisa MPs ni bi ba Parliament House aba bono bi a shekambu na tra na che say ona ka say wo botai kra who's a wide dress is why they know that it's not Parliament House one. Ubo just in 7 fatem kwa na koso Parliament House. Honorable say Parliament House ho e wo ho e de ema on my Ghana kakaka ntise mu ni pay na embra sedwom fom MPs e ho na moko share embra e de ema citizens no. Enti no monya mo ho te say enkrofo a mo shembra se na ebe ya embra no so timanfo ni ebedi so. Na mo moko Parliament House na mo ya mo say ya mo shembra kwa Ghana fo nya de ebedi so. Honorable say Oye MP a free na ko ba Parliament House why you de aba beto ho would won be check o dressing so wo dress as Ghanaian na pe African print bi pamne kama na jijide o pesa o dress it so broni so a wa hye wo suit abo tie aje chese wo shoe kama wa polish ho pa me fa nya oba se bi an ko Parliament House because ho omo mini business e wo ho no na say e na Honorable e de etuga
the code of conduct as well as the constitution.
We ayera Alban Sumana Babin Chame pa wo mrashebedwum na wo kasa fa mrashebedwafo ne said wo mu yi wo madwuma no say de entwa ne sunu mu kra o giri se wo mu toto adwuma na say eye kwan mrashebedwafo bi esiesi wo mu ho ba mrashebedwum wo so wo sere mrashebedwafo no ba mrashebedwum a standing orders ye de adwuma wo mrashebedwa no ho no eye clear e da ho pefe kire se eye niema mienu se wo besiesie ho se Ghana ni amamne kwan so ananse obesiesie ho se abrofu de ye omudi gya ye se coat na obehye etu ya untumi hye coat enhye t-shirt wase ana wa hye coat wa mota no ayo ho se katu na de abenante parliament wo mkoka wa begina be se kire wano aka chense wo immunity no se na de immunity kankan no waso ba mrahye bedwom a oba obema siesie ho se de esefata mrahye bedwani enya agudie eno mbedi ni parliament.
You know, the next thing I want to touch on is about how we turn up in the house. The parliamentary reference of being naked in the house was introduced for a purpose. It was to underline the fact that we ought to conform to a dress code. It is not about expensive and designer wear. It is more about tradition, decency, and discipline. It is about how the culture and tradition of dressing in the house reflects the expectations of our people. It is often said that, and I quote, clothing is a form of self-expression. There are hints about who you are in what you wear, unquote.
Hey, Shami, I want to share with Alban Kingsford.
Oh, brother, Akufo-Addo may president. What are you telling me? Akufo-Addo may president, no, Masa. Ultimate blog in Ghana. Ultimate Ghana, some because you Ghanaians know that Akufo-Addo is a peaceful man. Akufo-Addo is a quiet man. The man so-called Akufo-Addo I know say yes, so I know about watching Kofoguno, and I want you will be able to more. And I want to meet in a time to me. The body Giano found what? What in the good woofing? No one found what? What to me can summer ending? No one found what? And look to be a candy. Oh, so then Uncle Pondo knew Yasanado. Sana yes, Christo Moyana. Jesus and I must move dinner channel. Sana say, no. Sabato na ka no Jesus ani ese he no enti which we catch them say Akufo the Jesus magana enti akwaketo afafo no odidi na tam akwaketo afafo a ohun ne ho mfaso ne waka nsambone akwaketo afafo a ne waka anyambrasam journalist afafo a ha na wo JJ Rollins the time do you got enough opportunity to come and insult JJ Rollins? Asa munya chimi no ne ehunu nyansan Samusi atem dia ye nya ebedi bio Masa mesi munya chimi no ne yesu ehunu nyansan ene sa dia yesu ebechimi bi Who journalist ya wo so udi na nado atem aboa na wona Ghana bobosia Did you insult aboa na wona e bobosia so ane echedi Did you insult kwasiampa nyini ye bobosia mo pese e chama munya bitie Ye papa say am pese e China who say MPP NDC baye. Ye also nya henie. Kwasia wulika o pese we free because of so kasama party. Kwasia wulika o pese we free o pese prof say. We a party member. Momo tire Ghana ho. Hey, media me Akufo de tire Ghana ho si no bia o Ghana ho. The whole Ghana including our kings, including our ex-president. Nasa, Mamon can't change the free education. You, I mean, Bikobia, come and show what you want. Bikobia got a real fight for Ghana, no Quebec, what to walk can. Minister Bato, I'm here, the money you for them. The army, you say, Papa, you will worry, now, I'm more born in Samarane.